Model 2020 Ford Transit H4 Jumbo Ecoblue Euro 6 2.0 TDCI MOT'D bargain body, white, panel van mileage 106,228 MOT, the 28th of February 2024 engine 1996 cc 2.0 Ecoblue 130 PS transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. ABS light is on due to rear passenger side sensor needs replacing. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. First to see will buy features: 1 former keeper, full service history, electric windows EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999.